Well friends, here's the next problem. The given problem is jowar, ragi and cereals. Friends, cereals is represented by a bigger circle where all the foodstuffs come. It may be wheat, it may be rice, it may be jowar, it may be ragi, so on and so forth. Okay. Now, jowar and ragi, nothing but they are cereals. That means they come under cereals, but individually, jowar and ragi are different. I will represent them with the two different circles like this. This is represented by jowar and ragi is represented by one more circle like this. Okay. Now, this is what cereal circle. Bigger circle is what cereals. Now, let us compare our diagram with the given Venn diagram. So, the Venn diagram C matches with our figure. Therefore, let us check the given option. The first option is B. The second one C, which is the right one. Well, friends, we'll see some more problems.